Hey guys, Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, showing you the final step in proofing out apparel products using the combined template. And so you can see here in Corebridge that we do have proof approval on this version of the proof. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the order folder for the corresponding order, go into work files, and you're going to find the approved version of the proof. Now this one did go through a round of revisions, so R1 is going to be the approved version. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click and copy the JPEG proof, and then go ahead and open up the regular proof, the working file. And while that's opening, you could go ahead and go into the production files and paste in that approved JPEG proof. And so now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your asset export and grab your 2-size production ready artwork and just drag it into asset art export. And then down here where you have production file naming, just go ahead and copy that. And then from asset export, go ahead and click this button here for the export for screens dialog. And what we're going to do first is we're going to paste in that naming convention. And so we can just go ahead and plug in the data, 16159. And we'll actually include the -1 because sometimes there's multiple products with different artwork that we're providing to the corresponding decorating department. And so we want to be clear on what production files are what. So the placement, we're just going to go ahead and punch in LC for left chest. Now there is a legend for that down below here. And then we're going to put the width in inches. And so you can see here that our width is 3.5. Now we don't want to put a period into the naming convention, so we just use a space for the period. And then lastly, we're going to replace customer with the name of the customer, so Myland. And so embroidery and screen print are both going to get PDFs. If it was DTG, DTF, we would select PNG with the resolution at 1200. So we're going to go ahead and switch it to PDF here. And then we're going to choose where we're exporting to. And we are going to export to the production files folder, like so. Now hit export asset and continue. And you can see now we have our production ready file good to go. And so last but not least, we're going to come over here and change our product status. Actually, I apologize. We're going to go up into the order view here. We're going to change the production date to whatever our standard production time is at the time that you're watching this video. Currently it's 7 to 10 days. So we're going to take the date that it was approved. So it was approved today on 10/3. So we're just going to go 10 days out. Boom, 10 business days. And we're going to set it to the 17th. And then we're going to change the status to ready to purchase. Now at this time, we are good to go to our KPI sheet and add 1 to move into production, or however many products are moving into production. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.